Here's a summary of Snowflake's Q2 Fiscal 2026 earnings call, designed for clarity and conciseness. Introduction. Good afternoon, and thank you for joining Snowflake's Q2 Fiscal 2026 earnings call. We'll review our financial results, discuss guidance for the upcoming quarter and full year, and touch upon forward-looking statements and non-GAAP financial measures. CEO's opening remarks. Sridhar Ramaswamy. Snowflake has delivered another strong quarter, driven by exceptional teamwork and deep customer partnerships. Our core business remains robust, fueled by rapid product innovation and a strengthened go-to-market strategy. We are intensely focused on our mission to empower every enterprise with data and AI, delivering immense value across the entire data lifecycle with an AI data cloud designed for faster innovation and operational efficiency. We are disciplined in our operational rigor, improving efficiency while investing aggressively in growth. Key financial highlights. Q2 Fiscal 2026 product revenue, $1.09 billion, up a strong 32% year-over-year, an acceleration from the previous quarter. Remaining performance obligations, RPO totaled $6.9 billion, with 33% year-over-year growth. Net revenue retention rate, NRR, a healthy 125%. Non-GAAP operating margin increased to 11%, reflecting efficiency and operational rigor. Product innovation and strategy. We are committed to making complexity feel effortless, with simplicity at the core of our product and customer experience. Enterprise leaders like Booking.com and Intercontinental Exchange trust Snowflake for its ease of use, seamless data access, and strong governance. This quarter, we've introduced significant innovations. Snowflake Intelligence, now in public preview, this platform allows users to interact with enterprise data using natural language, turning structured and unstructured data into actionable insights, and enabling the creation of intelligent agents directly on enterprise data. Customers like Cambia Health Solutions and Duck Creek Technologies are already leveraging this for improved outcomes and efficiency. Cortex AI SQL, bringing AI natively into SQL, eliminating data movement, and unifying analytics and AI. Gen 2 Warehouse, delivering up to 2x faster performance and greater efficiency, automatically optimizing resources. Snowflake Postgres, offering enterprise-grade Postgres SQL for building and running critical AI-powered applications within the AI data cloud. Snowflake OpenFlow, extending our connectivity platform for seamless ingestion of structured, unstructured, batch, and streaming data, now supporting change data capture from Oracle. This positions us to capture a significant share of the data integration market. Snowpark Connect for Apache Spark, now in public preview, allowing customers to run Spark workloads directly on Snowflake, simplifying operations and accelerating time to value. In the first half of the year alone, we launched approximately 250 capabilities to general availability, demonstrating the pace of our innovation and platform expansion. AI and data sharing. 40% of our customers are now data sharing on Snowflake, creating powerful network effects. Open data formats. Over 1,200 accounts are using Apache Iceberg, highlighting our leadership in open standards. AI adoption. AI is a core driver of new customer acquisition, influencing nearly 50% of new logos in Q2. It powers 25% of all deployed use cases, with over 6,100 accounts using Snowflake's AI weekly. AI use cases. Examples include Snow Convert AI for migration, Thomson Reuters transforming business user actions with AI agents, and BlackRock enhancing client service at scale using Cortex AI. Model integration. We ensure day-one availability of leading models, including OpenAI's latest GPT models, offering customers choice and flexibility. Go-to-market and partnerships. Our go-to-market teams are focused and rigorous, evidenced by our healthy retention rates and the addition of 533 customers, including 15 Global 2000 companies. Our recent Snowflake Summit attracted a record 22,000 attendees, underscoring community excitement around the AI Data Cloud. We are also investing in our ecosystem of over 12,000 global partners. CFO's financial details. Mike Scarpelli. Q2 product revenue growth accelerated to 32% year-over-year, driven by strength across our 4 key product categories: analytics, data engineering, AI and applications, and collaboration. New customer adds were up 21% year-over-year. A record 50 customers crossed the $1 million in trailing 12-month revenue mark this quarter, bringing the total to 654. Non-GAAP product gross margin, 76.4% in Q2. Non-GAAP operating margin, 11% in Q2, benefiting from revenue performance. We continue to focus on margin expansion while investing. Headcount added 529 heads in Q2, with 364 in sales and marketing, reflecting our weighted hiring for the first half of the year. Non-GAAP adjusted free cash flow margin, 6% in Q2, with expectations for this to be weighted to the second half of the year, supported by contracted billings, renewals, and deal pipeline. Share repurchases. No repurchases in Q2. $1.5 billion remains authorized. Cash position. Ended the quarter with $4.6 billion in cash equivalents, and investments. Outlook. Q3 fiscal 2026 guidance. Product revenue, $1.125 billion to $1.13 billion, 25 to 26% year-over-year growth. Non-GAAP operating margin, 9%. Full year fiscal 2026 guidance, increased product revenue, $4.395 billion, 27% year-over-year growth. Non-GAAP product gross margin, 75%. Non-GAAP operating margin, 9%. Non-GAAP adjusted free cash flow margin, 25%. Key management statements and insights. Sridhar Ramaswamy, CEO. Data modernization and AI readiness. Data modernization is just the beginning of the journey. It's primarily driven by the fact that legacy systems have trouble scaling, and bringing those systems onto Snowflake is step 1 in value realization. In fact, the feedback that I get from our customers is that this data modernization journey is even more important than before because they realize that AI transformation of workflows is critically dependent on getting their data in a place that's AI ready. And that's where Snowflake comes in. AI's enterprise impact. What is happening is that there is more and more recognition that the AI components of our data platform can deliver enormous value. And we are seeing budgets get allocated from large customers for AI projects. Enterprise AI magic. The kind of questions that we can ask of a sales agent that we develop on Snowflake Intelligence has become pretty remarkable. This is where you are seeing the magic happen. Core business strength. Our core business continues to be very strong. It's not an either-or. Our core business continues to be very strong, and we have talked to you folks about a number of metrics, including net revenue retention, which is measured over a 2-year time frame that supports that. Competitive landscape. First of all, Snowflake is the best AI data platform that there is. And this is widely recognized by many of our customers and new customers. And we stand out in that respect. Mike Scarpelli, CFO. Revenue drivers. New features across all 4 product categories outperformed our expectations. With net new customer adds in the quarter up 21% year-over-year, it is clear that our new customer acquisition motion is yielding positive results. Guidance increase. We've consistently been raising by the beat plus more for the last 6 quarters. And that's based upon consumption trends we're seeing through literally to today. And consumption is strong within our customers. Sales and marketing hiring. We've actually hired more sales and marketing people in the first 6 months of this year on a net basis than we did in the prior 2 years combined. But I want to remind you that in Q3 and Q4 of last year, we went through a pretty extensive performance within our sales organization in particular. Significant risk factors. As per standard disclaimers, forward-looking statements are subject to risks and uncertainties, which could cause actual results to differ materially. Information concerning these risks and uncertainties is available in Snowflake's SEC filings. Lowlights. The transcript did not explicitly detail any specific lowlights or areas of concern. The tone was overwhelmingly positive, focusing on strong execution and growth. Conclusion. Snowflake is at the center of the enterprise AI revolution, delivering tremendous value across the entire data lifecycle. We are easy to use, connected for seamless collaboration, and trusted for enterprise-grade performance, driving customer expansion. We continue to execute at scale, with a strong product revenue growth and a positive outlook for the remainder of fiscal 2026, anticipating a long runway of durable high growth and continued margin expansion. It's an exciting time for Snowflake, and we look forward to sharing our progress in the quarters ahead. Thank you for joining us. This concludes today's call.